Hello everyone, this tutorial is about the factors affecting transpiration. Most transpiration takes place in the daytime because this is when the stomata are open. So anything that affects the opening and closing of the stomata affects transpiration. The first factor that affects the transpiration is the dry conditions. Very dry conditions cause the stomata to close and therefore slow down the rate of transpiration. This actually prevents the loss of water, which can cause the plant to wilt. The second factor affecting the transpiration is the light. Light is required for photosynthesis, and in the light, the stomata open for the gas exchange needed. Whereas in the dark, most of the stomata will close. So, increasing the light intensity gives increasing numbers of open stomata. So, increasing the light intensity increases the rate of transpiration. Moreover, wind is a factor that increases the rate of transpiration. This is because the wind moves the accumulation of water vapor on the surface of the leaves. This will actually increase the diffusion gradient, and so the rate of transpiration will increase. Furthermore, humidity or humid conditions decrease the rate of transpiration because the air is already saturated with a lot of water. So if the air contains a lot of water vapor, less water will exit from the plant to the air, and so the transpiration will decrease. Finally, temperature increases the rate of transpiration because an increased temperature increases the kinetic energy of water molecules and therefore increases the rate of evaporation from the cells. So, the transpiration rate will increase.